minutes, 30 seconds, scoring points on the official round 3 of the World Festival 2017 First Lego League. Audience, make some noise, come on!
Our Team Phoenix, are you guys excited? It looks like we're doing great over here on Team Phoenix. Now, this is your last round. Make some noise. Let people know you were here. Come on, roll kill.
It's the beat that saves our lives.
R2D2 is very, very quiet over here, isn't it? Do you think you should make some noise? Do you think?
I'm going to go over here and check out the bunny gears. They're intense.
Coming up to 55 seconds to go.
One of their team monitors seems quite pleased with what's going on. They're intensely filming it. You want to tell us what's going on over here?
So we're doing the milking automation and getting the zookeeper into the box.
Oh, wow, very quiet.
Look at that. And you're done. Okay, so we're not gonna be able to hang, but we're just gonna stop it.
30 seconds.
I'm telling you, the bummy gears just said, yeah, we got enough. We're awesome, super awesome. What's going on with those bold nuts?
Do you know what? They've got the biggest robots, or the biggest parts that they're fitting on their robots at the moment. They've come to a little bit of a standstill, but equally just doing absolutely brilliant. We're coming up to 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Give yourselves a nice